Okay, guys, let's start with our lesson, inshallah. Yesterday we talked how to compute with multi-digit decimals. Today, inshallah, we will continue in the same ideas, but today yesterday we talked how to add, how to subtract. We said that the most important thing is to align the digits correctly by putting the decimal over decimal, then align in correct way. Then we add and subtract normally. And at the end, we took multiplication, but let's start with another example of multiplication, how to multiply two numbers with decimals here. Now, if you multiply with decimal, guys, if you have whole number multiply decimal or two numbers with decimals, it's the same way. First, we multiply without decimals, then we count the digits after the decimal in both digits, in both numbers, sorry. Then we put our answer from the right and put our decimal in the correct way. So let's take a look to this example here. We have two decimals, 003 multiply 1.4. Now, this example here, guys, this number here, if we take it without the decimal, it will be 2003. And here, it will be 14. So this number 2003 and this number 14. So what we'll do, guys, we will multiply normally. This number has more digits. It will be up. 2003 multiply 14. So I multiplied without decimals. Then do normal multiplication. 4 multiply 3, 12. 2 with 1. Tamim, do you hear me very well?
Yes.
My board very well?
Yeah.
Good. Now 4 by 3, 12, guys. 2 with 1. 4 by 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 4 by 0, 0. And 4 by 2, 8. Now the second line for the 1, we start with 0 here and do normal multiplication. Now 1 by 3, 3, 1 by 0, 0, and 1 by 0, 0, and 1 by 2, 2. And we make here add, and here we fill it with 0. Now we add 2, 4, 0, 8, 2. Now this is my answer, but not the final answer. This is the answer of the temporary multiplication. Temporary multiplication. So I will take this number here and put it after the equal, which is 28042. Now the last step here, guys, I will go to the first number and see the decimal, count the digits after the decimal. Here we have 3 digits, and here we have 1 digit. Here 3 and here 1. Together we have 4 digits after the decimals. So I'll go to my answer here and count 4 digits from the right, not from the left. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will put my decimal. So 2.003 multiply 1.4 equal 2.8042 10,000ths. So this is how we multiply. Yesterday we end with this. If there is no questions about multiplication, adding, subtracting, we will move directly to the division of decimal, how we divide with decimal. Look here, guys, we have a note. In division or in long division, in using long division. Okay, guys, and I mean by long division this, long division. When we use the long division, guys, okay, in using long division, the divisor, focus here, guys, the divisor has no decimal point. No decimal point. Mean, if I want to multiply two numbers with decimals, the number in the divisor, guys, and the number in the divisor here the dividend, here the divisor. The number in the divisor should has no decimal point. For example, let's take example. If I want to divide these two numbers here, for example, let me divide 0.006, Look here, guys, 0.006 divided by 0.12. 0.12, and please focus here, guys. Please focus. I have 0.006 divided by 0.12, okay? Now what I will do, guys, I will make my long division, and this is the dividend. I will put it here, 0.006, and the divisor will be here, 0.12, okay? 0.006 and the divisor 0.12. Now, I said here, in using long division, the divisor should has no decimal point. So here the divisor, it has decimal point. So how I will get rid of this decimal point, guys? How I will get rid of it? So here, guys, the decimal point, I will push it to the right. I'll push it to the right. How many digits? 2 digits. So if I put the decimal here, it's gone. If I put this decimal here, it's gone. So I need to push it 2 digits to the right, 2 digits to be here. And if the decimal is here, we can get rid of it because a number like this, 9.0, it is 9. So no need for the decimal. So here, guys, what I will do for this decimal, I'll push it to the right, 2 digits. It will be here. But if I push here, I need to push here. I will do the same thing. So here, I need to push it 2 digits. I should do the same thing here. I need to push it also 2 digits. Again, in the division of decimals, guys, in the divisor, if we have a decimal, okay? In the divisor, if we have a decimal, guys, the decimal point, we need to get rid of it. How? Here in this example, I need to push the decimal always to the right, not to the left. And focus, please. The decimal, if you push it here, how many digits I need to push? 2 digits to get rid of it. If I push it here 2 digits, I need to push it here also 2 digits. So what are the new numbers now? Look here. My new numbers now will be like this. If I push the decimal here, it's gone. So the new number is 012, right? And if I push here 2 digits, I should, push the decimal here also 2 digits. So if I push it here 2 digits, it will be here. So it will be 0, 0, 0, decimal 6. These are my new numbers now. Now this 0 has no value now without the decimal, so I can erase it. And these 2 zeros also has no value, so I can what? Also erase them. So what I have now, I have 0.6 divided by 12. 0.6 divided by 12. Now how I will divide these two numbers? Now the divisor has no decimal, so I'm okay. Now I will divide normally. When I get the decimal point, I will put it up directly. So here, 0 cannot divide by 12. I will go to take what? The 6. To take the 6, I have what? Decimal. I put it directly. Now 6 divided by 12, it cannot be. 6 divided by 12, it cannot be. And the 6 is less than a 12. At this case, guys, we have a 0 here. 0 multiplied 12, 0. Because there is no numbers to take them here. 0 multiplied 12, 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now I have decimal. I can add 0 here to be what? 60. Now 60 divided by 12 is 5. Guess and try. Now 5 multiplied 12 is 60. Subtract 0. Now this empty space here, I can add what? 0. So my answer now is 0.05. 0.05. So the answer of this division is 0.05. This is equal 0.05. Again, I will re-explain it. In division of decimals, guys, in using long division, the divisor should has no decimal point. In this example, the divisor has decimal point. So what I will do to get rid of it, I need to push it here to the right always. We don't push to the left. We always go to the right. Decimal, push it to the right. So I will push the decimal to the right. How many digits to get rid of it? 2 digits. If I do something here, I will do the same thing here. So here I pushed 2 digits. Here also I need to push 2 digits. If I push it 2 digits, it will be here. Here it has no value now. Khalas, delete it. And here I push it 2 digits. It will be here. Look. Okay. Now I will divide normally as we did in dividing whole numbers by in dividing decimals by whole numbers. Now this is the division. Let's take another example. Let's take another example to explain it more. It's easy, but it's tricky. It's easy, but it's tricky. So you need to focus here where your decimal point will be so you can manage it very well. Let's take another example. I will go to example 5, guys. Example 5. I will receive your questions after I finish this example. Just focus with me, please. Example 5 is on page 150. We'll do the example and the check together. We have 60 decimal 927. Look here, guys. 60 decimal 927 divided by 0.012. 0.012. 0.012. Look here, guys. 60.927 divided by 0.012. Tamim, everything is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. 60 decimal 927 divided by 0.012. Now let's make long division to see what we have here. This is the dividend. Put it here. 60 decimal 927. And this is the divisor. Put it here. 0.012. Now in our note here, in using long division, the divisor should has no decimal point. So I'll go here. The divisor has decimal point. So I need to push it how many digits to get rid of it?
3.
1, 2, 3. So I need to get this decimal to be here. Okay? How many digits I moved to the right? 3 digits. If I moved here 3 digits, I need to do the same thing here. If I moved here 3 digits, I need to do the same thing here, okay? So here, push it to 3 digits, and here also, you need to push as you did here. So here also 3 digits, it will be here. Now we have a new numbers. Let's do the new numbers now. Here it will be 0, 0, 12. The decimal here has been gone here. And here, if you push the decimal 3 digits, it will be here also. It will be the new number 60927 and the decimal here. The decimal here has no value, khalas, no need. Now, these 2 zeros to the left of the number, it has no value, so I can get rid of them. Now my number is what? Normal division. Normal division after I get to this decimal. Here 3 digits, here 3 digits, so both are gone out. But here, 2 digits, I push it 2 digits, is still the decimal here, okay? Here, 3 digits gone. Now my 2 numbers have no decimal, so I will divide normally as we did in the first lesson. Now 6 cannot divide on a 12. 60 can divide on a 12, which is 5. 5 by 12, 60. Subtract 0. Right? Now I will bring the 9 down, this 9. And we said that many times, if you bring a number from the dividend down, and this number here is still less than the divisor, we put 0 in quotient. Be careful of that. This is an important step. Again, 6 cannot divide on 12. 60 can divide on 12 by 5. 5 by 12, 60, subtract 0. In the normal division, if we get a number down from the divider, okay, a number down from the divider. Now, here we have 9, here we have a 12. This number less. Direct, you put what here? 0. And this 0, we call it zeros in quotient. We took that before. Now, I need to get the other 2 here. What we have? 92. Now 92 and 12, guess the numbers. Now 8 by 12 is 96. I'll guess 7. 7 by 12 is 84. Subtract 92 minus 84 is 8. 92 minus 84. طبعا 2 minus 4 it cannot be. Take 1 from the 9, blah, blah, blah. It's 8. Now 8, I bring the 2 down. I bring the 2 down. This 8, yes, should be less than 12. Here, guys, it was 0. When I get the 9, it's still less. That's why I put the 0 in quotient. Here, my remainder is 8. So when I bring the 2, I take a look. 82 and 12. 82 is bigger than 12. No need to put 0 in quotient here. Now 82 and 12, 7 by 12, 84. I will choose 6. 6 by 12, 72. Subtract 10. 10. Okay. Now I'll bring what? 10 less than 12. I bring the 7 down. This is 7. 107. 107 divided by 12 is 9 by 12, 108. 8 by 12. 8 times 12, 196. 96. Subtract normally. 7 minus 6 is 1. This one, it cannot be 0, 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now 11 less than 12, so I'm okay. I get the 7. Now I put what here, guys? Decimal, as we did before. And here we add what? 0. Now 110 divided by 12, 9. 9 by 12, 109. 108, sorry. 108. Subtract 108 minus 100, 110 minus 108 is 2. I have decimal, so I can add 0 here. 20 divided by 12 is how much? 20 divided by 12 is how much? Who can tell, guys? Who can tell, guys? $50. Guys, I did mistake here. Wallahi, 5 by 12, 92, 84, 12 minus 4, 8. Let me just check my solutions. Let me check my solutions. We bring the 7 down. Oh, guys, here I switched these two numbers. Sorry, it's not 27. It is. Oh yeah, it is 87. Yes, 30. I just switched these two numbers, so it's okay. It's okay. Now here it won't finish. So I will stop here in this example because I switched these two numbers, so it will be different little bit here. So this is my answer, guys. I will check it. Let me check it, please. 5 with the 12. What?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, ask me.
Why we repeat the 2 times? You put the 2 down. It's
Yeah. This
can
was
be.
I'm wondering. I bring the 2 once, then I bring it again. Yeah. Sorry, guys. This is what I did here.
That's my question.
I bring it two times down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, just wait. But again, guys, I'm sorry. I bring this two times. I don't know why. 5 by 12, 60. Then 0. Then the 9. Okay, the 9 less than 12. I put 0. Then the 2. 92 on 12 is 7, right? 7 by 12 is how much? 84. Okay, guys. Now 92 minus 84 is how much? 8.
Yeah.
8, yes?
Yeah.
I finished with the 2, so I'll bring the other 7. Yes, thank you, Tamim. I was wondering what's the problem here. 87 and 12, another 7. 7 by 12 is 84. Subtract 84, 87 minus 84, how much? 3.
30.
Now I have decimal. I don't have decimal. I can add decimal and put what here? 0. 30 on 12 is 2. 2 by 12 is 24. Now subtract 6. I have decimal, so I will add 0. 60 on 12 is 5. And this is my answer. So my problem was here, guys. So I brought the two times. I get mistake. Sorry about that. See, guys, when get you a little bit mistake, it won't finish. It will be confused one. So be careful in doing your calculations. Now, after this example, we have check down of it, guys. Let me do the check. Then I'll receive all of your questions. Don't worry. Let's do the check together. Under this example, we have a check. We have 2.943 divided by 0.27. 2.9. What's the numbers, Yatamim? I don't want to get mistake.
And 43.
2.9.
43.
43 divided by what?
0.
0.27.
27.
27.
Yeah.
2.943 divided by 0.27. Yalla, guys, with me. Now, let's make my long division to see where we will put the decimals here. This is the dividend, 2.943 divided by 0.27. Now, the divisor has decimal. It shouldn't be. So that this decimal, I need to push it how many digits here? 2 digits. If I push 2 digits here, I need to do the same thing here. So the decimal, this one will be here, and this one will be here before the 3. So the new numbers are, here it will be 027, and here it will be 294, decimal 3. Look here, guys. This decimal, I push it 2 digits, it becomes after the 7, became after the 7. This decimal also 2 digits, the same of this. 2 digits, it became before the 3. Now this 0 has no value. And this decimal here, because it's at the end, no need for it. But I cannot delete this because it has a value after. Now I will do normal division. Normal division. Now 2 divided by 27, it cannot be. 29 divided by 27, if you choose 254, so I need to choose 1 here. 1 by 27, 27. Subtract 3. Now 3 is less than 27, I'm okay. So I will bring the 4 down. This 4, I will bring it down, 34. Now 34, look guys, remember here when I put 0 in the quotient, I brought the 9, it was like this. I brought the 9 from up, still less, that's why I put 0. But here, when I brought the 4, what I have, 34, 34 bigger, so no need to put 0 in quotient here. Now 34 divided on 27, another one. 1 by 27, 27. Subtract 34 minus 27 is 7. Now what I have here after the 4, I have decimal. When I have decimal, put it up on the same place. When you get the decimal, put it up. Now bring the 3 down. It is 73. 73 in 27 is 2. 73 in 27 is 2. Oh, this is 2, guys. Guys, I didn't sleep well today. Guys, I didn't sleep well, really. Now 9 minus 2, it's not a 3, it is 2. It is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2. Okay, focus with me, guys. Focus. Now, sorry about that. Now 29 minus 27 is 2, not a 3. Okay. Now bring the 4 down. Okay, it's 24. Look here, guys. I brought the 4 down. 24 less than 27. Okay. 24 less than 27 after I brought the 4 down. At this case, I put 0 in quotient, okay? 0 in quotient. Now, while I'm going to get the 3 down, I have what? The decimal. So the decimal here. Now bring the 3 down, 243. Let's guess number. I'll guess Matlan 6. 6 by 27. 6 by 7, 42. 6 by 2, 12 with 4, 16. 162, 243. 6 by 7, 6 by 2, 12 with 4, 16. Yes. Let's guess 9. It's still smaller here. Let's guess 9. 9 by 27. 9 by 7, 63. 9 by 2, 18. With 6, 24. So I have a 243, 243. So my correct choice here is 9. 9 by 27, 243. Subtract, it is 0. Okay, guys, this is the check. Hope you copy it. Now, I'll go back from here and revise a little bit with you. In the division, guys, no need for the decimal point in the divisor. So what you will do if you have a decimal point in the divisor, you need to push it to the right like this one. We push it 2 digits and you will do the same thing here. Here, we push it 3 digits and we do the same thing here. Here, I push it 2 digits and I did the same thing here. After we push it, guys, when we get rid of this decimal in the divisors, okay, we do normal division as we did before, And if you notice that here, I get some mistake, small mistake. It will be so confused. So be careful about your steps while you are doing, because if you don't be careful, you won't have correct answer. Now I'm ready for your questions about the division, how we divide. I will take you one by one. Okay, I will start with Ahmed Antar.
Yes, Mr.
Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed. Ahmed.
Yes.
Yes, your answer, your question, Habibi.
I also tell you about the first wrong you made.
Yeah, I fix it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I didn't sleep well yesterday, so I'm losing my mind. Right. Else, guys. Ahmed, you understand it, huh? Good. Right, Muhsin.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Muhsin. Talk, Habibi.
I want to see what is the page.
Oh, Muhsin, we finished the lesson. Muhsin, are you with me, Habibi?
Yes.
Yalla, focus. Did you understand the multiplication of decimals, division of decimals? It's very important.
Yes.
Right. Our lesson, Mister, yesterday we started with this lesson, اللي هو lesson page 119. I think, let me check. No, 100. Let me check. It was 143, the lesson. Yesterday we did that. We started with 143. Today we are in the division. Now we are on page, in the same lesson, we are on page 150. This check, ya Muhsin, is page 150. Okay? Right. Else, I will take another question. Guys, if I answered you, just remove your hand so I can manage. Faris?
Yes.
Yes, Faris, talk.
Mr. The push digit, I didn't start it.
Right, look here. Look here, yeah, Faris. Look here. For example, 0.925 divided by 2.6. خلاص?
Yes.
You need to make what?
Divide.
Long division. In the long division, where is the divisor? This is the divisor, right? Shadow divisor. Where I will put it here? Sheikh?
Yes.
Talk with me, Faisal. This is the divisor. I put it here, right?
Yes.
And this is the dividend. I put it here. We know that. Right.
Yes.
Now, in the division of the decimal, we need to get rid of this decimal. خلاص?
Yes.
How we get rid of this decimal? We won't go to the left. We will go where? To the right.
Yes.
How many digits I need to go to the right to push it here? How many digits?
1 digit.
1 digit. If I push here 1 digit, I will push here also the same number of digits. Got it?
Yes.
So this decimal will be here, صح?
Yes.
And where this decimal should be also?
We put the 9 in the zero. مكان
Between
الزيرو.
what? Tell me. This decimal between which two digits will be?
0 and 2 should be.
Mr. ركز الله يسعدك.
Yes.
Here I push the decimal 1 digit, okay? Do the same thing here. Push it 1 digit. Where the decimal will be?
9.2.
Between 9 and 2, right?
Yes.
So if we push 1 digit here, I will push 1 digit here. Now we have new numbers, write them. This will be what? 2, 6, ish, decimal. And here, this will be 0, 9, decimal, 2, 5, right?
Yes.
Now this decimal, because it comes after, at the end, it became at the end, no need for it.
Because they didn't make a digit.
خلاص, 26 decimal nothing is a 26, right?
But this 0 we can erase it.
Now this one, yes, this one we can erase it to make it easy for us. No need to be, no have to have a lot of digits without values. So I have what now? 2 numbers. This has decimal, this hasn't decimal, right? معايا فارس?
Right.
Now
Yeah,
I will
yeah.
do, I will do ايش?
Divide.
Normal division. I will do what? Normal division. When I get the decimal, I put it where? Up. Got it?
Yes.
Look here. Look here. This
Yes.
decimal, I push it how many digits?
2.
And here I
2.
did the same thing. I push it 2 digits. It becomes before the 6. See?
Yes. 0.6.
Here I push it to 3 digits. I did the same thing here. It becomes at the end. No need for it. Got it?
Yeah.
So my 2 numbers here has no decimals. You understand that?
Yes.
Look here. Here I push it 2 digits. I did the same thing here. The decimal push it 2 digits. It will be here between 4 and 3. See?
Yeah.
After I push the decimals, after I get the decimal, get rid of the decimal from the divisors here and here and here, I do what? Normal ish
Division.
division. Got it?
Yes.
Good boy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Faris. Remove your hand. Muhammad Kamel.
Yes, Mr. We did on page 148.
On page what?
148.
مالها?
We didn't do the check.
Do it يا مستر.
Okay, thank you.
لازم أنا أعمل كل شيء محمد؟
No, thank you.
لا أنت اشتغل يلا روح do it اشتغل. Go and do it يلا. سليمان. طبعا do it. If you didn't understand it, you can ask. محمد كامل remove your hand.
Page 150 in the check, you wrote 294.3 divided by 27, but the question wrote 2.943 divided by 27.
Yes.
And in the board, you wrote 294.3 divided by 27.
Okay.
But in the book, they wrote 2.943 divided by 0.27.
ماشي. The book wrote this question, right?
Yes.
This is the question. I turn it to this. Look, this is the question, right?
Yes.
سكت الصغير اللي جنبك واحكي معي. Look حبيبي. Here, this is the question, right?
Yes.
Can I divide while I have decimal here?
No.
No. What I did, I turn it to this. How? By pushing the decimals. But the answer, it is the same, the answer of the original question. Got it?
Yes. Thank you, Mr.
Welcome, حبيبي. Remove your hand. محمد كامل, remove your hand. شكري.
Teacher, in page 148, all of the examples we don't do it.
مستر
We don't take it.
ماشي انت اعملوه طيب يعني لازم انا اعمل كل شيء.
لك لا ما اخذناها.
لا يا مستر we did multiplication of decimals yesterday.
Even with the plus. Yeah, I know. But I don't know what to tell you.
What? Guys, if I did not do exercise in the book and we did the idea, you do it. You do it. It's not my work to do each exercise, each homework, each check. No, sometimes you need to do. We did the idea yesterday and today. Now I move to the division. It's still one check. You go and do it. Get to practice. ولا لا يا شكري؟
صح.
طيب يلا. Now do you understand how we multiply decimals يا شكري؟
Yeah.
خلاص يلا go and do the exercise.
Okay.
Do it. If you didn't understand it, you can ask me. This is how it goes. Obey.
أستاذ
Yes, Obey.
اعترف إيش شارب اليوم؟ ربيع ولا سنتوب؟
What?
اليوم أنت شارب سنتوب ساخن صح؟
لا والله ما لسه ما اخذتش القهوة.
لا لأنه السنتوب الساخن والربيع الساخن هذول مثل هذا. مثل الخمر بيروحوا العقل مثل.
طيب, do you understand it, Ubay? Do you understand everything? Are you sure? Good boy. Now, guys, try to do the exercises in the homework. Try to and send it in my Clicera. Adi, it's okay if it's not today. You can use the weekend. Tomorrow we don't have a class, so you have tomorrow. You have Thursday. You have Friday, Saturday. So you have 3 or 4 days to do the homework, which is on page. Let me check the page of the homework. 143, guys.
43.
Do these exercises and send them during the weekend on my Clicera, please. Thank you so much. And see you in the next Sunday. Tamim, can you stop it?
Okay.